Alright, so in this Microsoft Azure Fundamentals lab simulation, we are going to be showing off how cool resource locks are. We're going to be managing them. So let's get started. Alright, in this walkthrough, we will add a lock to the resource group and test deleting the resource group. Locks can be applied in a subscription to resource groups or individual resources to prevent accidental deletion or modification of critical resources. So we're going to first add a lock to the resource group and then test deletion. So before we do that, let's log on to the portal through our Edge browser here. Alright, we're going to navigate to resource groups right down here. And then here is our resource group, my resource group locks. Let's click it. Now you can apply a lock to a subscription, resource group, or individual resources to prevent accidental deletion, as I stated before. So on the settings over here, right here on the settings, we are going to navigate to locks down here, and then we're going to click add. Alright, this lock is going to be called RG lock, and it's going to be a delete lock. We're going to click OK. Now, as you can see here, we have our RG lock. The lock type is for delete. Now if I were to X out of locks and then go back into locks, it's going to show this resource has no locks. I don't know if this is a glitch within the simulation or if this is a Azure portal thing, but if we hit refresh, it will appear there. And now it'll stay there as well, as you can see. Now we can kind of go back and forth and it'll still stay there. So we had to refresh it. So yeah. Now let's go back to the overview here, and we're going to type delete resource group. We are going to copy the name of the resource group and paste it down here where it says enter resource group name to confirm deletion. We're going to hit delete, and then we're going to hit delete again, and we're going to get an error here. And let's see what the error says. Well, first, if we click it, it takes us to our locks, but right here it says the resource group my RG locks is locked and can't be deleted. Click here to manage locks for this resource group. When you click it, it takes you to this page, and then you can see we can just delete it right here, but we're not at that point yet. We just wanted to test deletion, and as you can see, it stopped us from deleting it, which is pretty cool. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to test deleting a member of the resource group. So let's create a member. So let's go to the All Services tab here, and we're going to go to Storage Accounts, and then we're going to click Add. And then here on the Storage Accounts page, we are going to fill in the information here. So keep the subscription and the resource group set as default. We are going to name this storage account storage account test delete. Oh, that one's already taken. Test cans. What? Test cans is already taken. Storage account cans. Alright, there we go. Storage account cans. Keep it in the US East. Our replication is going to be set to locally redundant storage. We're going to keep the performance at standard. And that's about it. We're going to go to review. We can see our access tier is hot. And yeah, now we'll hit create. Give it some time to create. And then once validated, we are going to access the overview pane, and then we're going to try to delete it, and then we're going to see what happens. There we go. Deployment succeeded. Alright, so let's go to resource. Here we are in the overview pane, and we're just gonna actually, let's wait a few seconds, just, you know, make sure everything's good to go. There aren't any weird glitches that happen when you do things too quick. Alright, let's do it now. Let's click delete. And there you go. We can't even delete it. This is grayed out down here. It says the storage account cans can't be deleted because this resource or its parent has a delete lock. Locks must be removed before this resource can be deleted. Ah, interesting. So although we did not create a lock specifically for the storage account, we did create a lock at the resource group level, which contains the storage account. As such, this parent level lock prevents us from deleting the resources, and the storage account inherits the lock from the parent. Cool. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the resource lock. So let's navigate our way back to the home page here. Go to our resource groups and go to my resource locks group. And then we are going to go to locks here. And here's our RG lock, right? We're going to click the link. We're going to click delete link to the far right here, right next to edit. And there you go. It's gone. We refresh it. It's totally gone. Now we'll return to the storage account blade. Let's go to that storage account that we were at before. So we'll go to the home. Here's our storage account cans. We're going to click delete. And then if we enter the name here, now you can see the delete is not grayed out anymore. We don't have that error message at the bottom. If we click delete and confirm deletion, we're getting ready to delete it. There you go. Successfully deleted storage account. And that's pretty much it. Since the resource doesn't have a lock anymore, we could delete the resource as well. We can go to my RG locks resource, delete resource group, confirm deletion by copying and pasting what we're going to delete, and we'll delete. And as you can see, we don't get that error message again like we did before. And that's it. We created a resource group, we added a lock to the resource group, and we tested deletion. We tested deleting a resource in the resource group, which didn't work, and then we removed the resource lock and we deleted both the storage account and the resource group. So now if we go back to the home page, we go to our resource groups, we don't have a resource group anymore. And if we go to all resources, well, there's an error, something going on here, probably just because we were deleting stuff. But yeah, this should be gone, which it is. It says no access. So yeah, that's about it. Pretty cool. Locks seem pretty useful. They seem pretty cool. They seem pretty simple to use. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. See ya.